Wound healing. Wound healing is a complex and dynamic process of repairing devitalized and missing cellular structure and tissue layer. There are 4 stages of wound healing. Stage 1, hemostasis. Begin at the onset of injury, and its objective is to stop bleeding. Blood vessels constrict to restrict the blood flow. Platelets stick together and adhere to subendothelium surface of epithelial wall of blood vessels in order to seal the breaks. After this, first fibrin begins to adhere in about 60 seconds. As the fibrin mesh begin, blood is transformed from liquid to gel through coagulation. Stage 2, inflammation. Injured blood vessels leak exudates and cause localized swelling. Increased capillary permeability and blood flow to the site of injury assists phagocytosis. During this phase, damaged cells, pathogen and bacteria are removed from wound area. Swelling, redness, and pain in the injured area are common in this phase. Stage 3, proliferation. This stage has 3 distinct phases. Phase 1, filling the wound. Phase 2, contraction of wound margins. Phase 3, covering the wound. This phase is a phase of rebuilding of new tissue made up of collagen and extracellular matrix. Formation of granulation tissue followed by epithelialization. New network of blood vessels is constructed for sufficient supply of oxygen and nutrients to granulation tissue. Stage 4, maturation. Strengthening and regeneration of collagen occur. Cells that had been used to repair the wound, but no longer needed, are removed by apoptosis. Only 70 to 75% of its original strength will be regained at the end of wound healing process. Thank you for watching, and for more videos please like, share and subscribe to my channel HDKR Enlightening.